Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum and namaste. I hope you all are doing super और आपकी दुआ से I am doing super fantastic. Do watch this complete video where I'm giving you a glimpse into Mira Road Market and sharing a fantastic recipe with you out of fresh pumpkin.
आपके मीरा रोड पे मुझे काफ़ी जन फॉलो करते हैं, तो मैं दिखाऊंगी ना मेरे चैनल पे, आपका चेहरा भी दिखाती हूँ ना, मुस्कुराता हुआ। देखिए, खाना पीना बड़े प्यार से बनाना चाहिए। आप बहुत प्यार से बना रहे हैं, तो आई एम श्योर ये बहुत अच्छा रहेगा मेरे। और मीरा रोड में आप जो भी देखेंगे ये वीडियो आना चाहिए आपके पास। रेडी? क्या नाम है आपका? मसाला। ओके, किसके सामने? कौन सा? कपड़े वाले के सामने। बिस्मिल्लाह चिकन सामने है, करेगा राइस। ठीक है।
Friends, I got these vegetables from Mumbai, from the Mira Road Market. So look at the freshness of the cluster beans, guar. I got this around half kg, fresh green chillies, and this delicious phoran, and some fresh coriander, pumpkin, and yes, here I have got fresh radish with leaves. इसकी मैं बहुत ज़बरदस्त भुजिया बनाऊंगी. I'll share this on the channel. Some yummy lemons, some small baby brinjals. इसकी भी बहुत ज़बरदस्त रेसिपी शेयर करने वाली मैं आपके साथ. ऐसी धमाकेदार फ्रेश वेजिटेबल्स आपको बॉम्बे में ही मिल सकती है. And this is tingly. And last but the spring onions. I really enjoyed my vegetable shopping over there. And also from that market I got some fresh grounded red chilli and some garam masala. Ramadan is around the corner, starting next month. So I got some delicious kokum sharbat and our all-time favorite lemon pudina sharbat, all for the fasting period, where we definitely need all this. Some tidbit shopping for the kitchen. This fantastic masher, I will let you know how this is working. Okay, I got from that 99 rupees shop. This wooden spatula my mom gave me, and a scissor. I needed a scissor, and this slicer which is really very good. अब तो यूज़ करने पर पता चलेगा और कितना अच्छा है. And this sieve, I needed one very badly. ये छोटी मोटी शॉपिंग I did for the kitchen. All right. और अब आपको दिखाती हूँ उस मार्केट का मज़ेदार लाल मिर्च पाउडर, कुटी लाल मिर्च पाउडर एंड हैंडमेड गरम मसाला. बहुत ही मज़ेदार. ऑल दिस इज़ हैंड ग्राउंडेड, सॉरी मशीन ग्राउंडेड, वेरी फ्रेश. सो आई पिक दिस अप टू ट्राई इट आउट. सो आई एम गोइंग टू मेक वेरी डिलीशियस ghee roast pumpkin. So I'm going to use that masala that time. Right now let's fill them up in the bottle. Now both these masalas I'm going to use in making the pumpkin, and we are making pumpkin roast. So let's get started with the recipe. I've taken here half cup mustard oil, 1 teaspoon phoran, and half teaspoon jeera, and 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Here I added half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala, and 1 teaspoon kutti lal mirch, which I got from the Mira road market. Fresh pumpkin I got from Mumbai, and this is half kg. After peeling, maybe around 450 grams, and 1.5 onion sliced. To this I added 1 teaspoon salt. Please add salt as per your taste, and some coriander. And you need to saute well and cover with a lid and cook this for some time. And then add 1 chopped tomato. I didn't have tomatoes, so I added baby tomatoes, frozen ones, which was there in my freezer. Ensure the tomato melts very nicely in this vegetable. Again, you need to saute, cover with a lid, and cook this for at least 5 to 8 minutes. After that, I've added 1 teaspoon roasted jeera powder and 2 teaspoon coriander powder to this. Add around 2 to 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. Lemon juice is added to balance the sweetness. We are making pumpkin roast, so we have to saute this well. Again, cover with the lid for another 3 to 4 minutes, and again saute this. Keep on mashing the big pieces of pumpkin. Add your coriander. You can add more if you like. You can add some chopped chillies more. And again saute it well, and this is actually ready. Super delicious. You can make this in ghee as well. Hope you enjoyed this short video. Take very good care of yourself. Be safe. Good food, good mood. And until we meet next, don't forget to eat, love and pray. Bye.